Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 597 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So, let's dive right in. Our first story today from Business Standard is about a wonderful trend in insurance, how it is evolving to celebrate and support the incredible working women who are the heart of our cities. For a long time, health plans were designed with the one size fits all approach. However, we now recognize that today's working woman is a superhero, gracefully managing a career, a family, and her own well being simultaneously. The great news is that insurance companies are recognizing this and creating plans that are as unique and amazing as she is. These new, thoughtful plans offer wonderful coverage for life's most precious moments, such as the journey through pregnancy, from prenatal checkups to the joy of welcoming a new baby, ensuring both mom and child are well cared for. They also provide strong, reassuring protection against health concerns that are on many women's minds, like breast and cervical cancer. The real message here is one of empowerment. You now have the power to choose a health plan that feels less like a contract and more like a supportive partner, one that walks alongside you on your life's journey, giving you the confidence and peace of mind to focus on what you do best, shining brightly. Next, let's discuss a story from Business Standard, a fantastic feature that puts you firmly in the driver's seat. Health insurance portability. Have you ever felt stuck with a service, maybe your phone or internet provider, and wished you could easily switch to a better one without losing your history? Well, in the world of insurance, you can. Portability is your freedom to choose. It allows you to transition to a new insurance company with which you feel a stronger connection, while retaining the valuable benefits you've accumulated over time. Think of it as packing up your loyalty and your waiting period credits and taking them to your new, better home. The process is designed to be smooth and straightforward. When you decide to switch, the new company reviews your history to better understand you, so they can welcome you with open arms and provide the best possible service from day one. Our next update from the Economic Times takes us into the exciting future, where insurance is using amazing new technology to make your life easier and more secure. We are talking about artificial intelligence, or AI, which is helping to create a faster, more seamless experience for you. Imagine getting a policy quote in an instant, or having a claim processed so quickly you barely have to think about it. That is the magic AI is bringing. However, to ensure everything remains personal, fair, and caring, the industry is wisely blending this technology with the irreplaceable human touch. Think of AI as a super efficient assistant that handles all the complex tasks in the background, while a friendly, empathetic human expert is always there to guide you, answer your questions, and make sure every decision is made with your best interests at heart. This perfect partnership means you get the best of both worlds: the speed and efficiency of technology combined with the warmth and trust of a real person, making your insurance experience more positive and reassuring than ever before. And for our final story from CNBC TV 18, let's focus on some truly uplifting news about a topic that touches so many of us: cancer care. We know that facing a major health challenge can feel overwhelming, but the insurance industry is stepping up with innovative solutions to alleviate that burden. As medical science develops amazing new treatments that save and improve lives, insurance companies are right there, creating specialized plans with much higher coverage to help you access them without financial worry. This is not just about reacting to a problem, it is about proactively building a safety net so strong that you can focus entirely on healing and recovery. So, here is a simple, loving action step you can take today. Give your current policy a little health check. Look for the cancer coverage details and ask yourself, does this give me the peace of mind I want for my family? If the answer is not a resounding yes, it is easy to explore options to upgrade your plan or add a dedicated cancer cover. Taking this small step is a powerful act of self-care and a wonderful gift of security to yourself and your loved ones. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.